Hi, this is Xiaotong. This video is for CSE535, Assignment 2, Accelerometer Data Graph Project. In this video, I'm going to have two parts. One is to have a demo of the application, and two is the description of my source code. So let's run the app. So this is the interface of the application. There's a couple buttons, and this is patient information enter area. So before I click this confirm button, I want to show the locations of the upload and download files, as well as the location of my Flask server. So here, as you can see, there's no folder of files under this application folder yet. And this is the location for the uploaded files on my Flask server. So let me click the confirm button. So once I click this confirm, as you can see, the table name is updated, and also I have there should be 3 lines of X, Y, Z values. Look at the files under the SD card, Android data, and my application. The folder of CSE535 assignment 2 is created, and also the database file is created. When I go to the virtual sensors, if I move the virtual emulator, as you can see, the data collected and draw on the graph is changed. Stop button will have the drawing stopped and clean the view. And when I click run, it will continue collecting data and have the drawing. This can be done multiple times. And even I multiple click the run or multiple click the stop, it won't have any problem. And then when I click the upload button, all the threads will be stopped, and the file will be uploaded to the Flask server. As you can see, the file is received by the server. And then when I click the download button, I can see the file should be to the download folder on the SD card as well. And also the last 10 will be plotted. As you can see, the index of the points are from 123 to 132, which are the last 10 points. It's pretty easy just to set up for the interface, register for the sensor manager and accelerometer to have the real-time XYZ values from accelerometer. Then I initialize the graph views and the variables of them. Once I click the confirm information button, the confirm button, so does the following things to collect the patient infos and process them to variables. Then the variables are used to create the database. Also, after I click the confirm button, I start to collecting data from the accelerometer, start inserting data to the database, and also to plot on the graph. So I use this thread to doing these roundabout things. stop and run buttons. The run button is simply just to do the redraw, and the stop button is to do the clean. Clean and redraw are functions I made for this project. Clean is to set the all the colors of the graph view to invisible, to transparent, and the redraw is to set the colors back to the original. The upload button. The upload this function. So this function uses an upload service, which I made for this project to upload the file using the HTTP URL connection to connect to the server and upload all the content of the file to the Flask server. And there's some have the download function linked to the download button. It's on click. So when you click the download button, it sends this request to the Flask server and to get back the URL of the file. And then I use the download manager. So I have this function download from URL. In this function, I call the download manager to do the download. I believe the download manager is a suggested way in Android. It will start in another thread and won't affect the performance of my current thread. Have this file downloaded. Well, what I'm doing is to access the SQLite database, and then I read from the last line of the data and doing a loop to assign the arrays to make the plot of the last 10 points, and then